sales, the pay for the week. So the Susan sales for that week is how much? Yes, 2,000. So this time the point of intersection got meaning. X value is 2,000. And the pay. So that pay is first on one side, with the hand pay. It's how much? 2,008. Yes, $300. Yes. Then question 3. If Susan usually makes 1,500 worth of sales per week, which job should she pick? If she sells $1,500, which job she should take? Electronics. What's the reason? Oh, I just saw it wrong one. Sorry. The top is solid. This one is solid. So you take the solid line because when the sales is $1,500, the pay is higher than the solid line. The solid line is electronic store. So you will say that Susan should take electronic store. Electronic store, the solid line is higher than the dashed line, so she earns more money for the electronic store job. And any of you can tell me how much she's going to earn at the electronic store for $1,500 sales? Roughly. How much? $750. How you get that number?
Well, that's 5%.
270.
Well, 5%.
0.05.
Oh.
Yeah. 0.05. It will be $75. So, she earns $275 at that store, and $250 at footwear store. So you want her to make more money, then it's better for her to work at an electronic store. So question 4. How does the graph help Susan determine which is a better job? So how the graph, if without the graph, it's hard to tell. With the graph, you can tell which one is better one. So if Susan can sell more than $2,000, which job she should take? Yes. So if beyond 2,000, you know that the solid line is above the solid line. The footwear store will be a better choice. And from the graph, it's easier to tell which line will be above this one after the. So you need to see from the graph. It's easy to tell. It's easy to tell that if Susan sells more than $2,000, she should take the job at footwear store. It's less than 2,000 and take the job at electronics store. So now you will know that the point of intersection is very useful information you want to have. Okay? Any questions? So that is one application, and also other application you can use this method is the telephone plan. For the telephone plan, it gives you one flat rate $20, and after that it gives you free phone calls time, maybe 250 minutes. After that it charges you 40 cents or something. You can grab a line. If you call more than 1,000 minutes, then you can decide which one you like. Normally you don't do it, but you can do it by deciding which one is better for. And also for the job offer, you can decide which one is better. So that's the reason point of intersection is very important, and today we are going to see how can we find the point of intersection. So turn to the back. Example 1. Solve the volume system by graph, then check the answer. So you have two lines. In order to find the point of the intersection, you need the two lines. It gives you two lines. Equation of the two lines, then after that graph the. So you have y equals x minus 4. How to graph that line? It's a slope y-intercept form. How to graph that line? Anyone still have any ideas?
Y equals mx plus c.
Y equals mx plus c. First step will be starting from.
To find the y-intercept?
Yes, starting from the B. Yeah.
Sorry, from the b.
Starting from the B, then use the slope to find the right hand line, find another point.
I want the b.
So I need Sophia, number one. Could you please help me? Sophia, I need your help. Please come from. This is from last chapter. You will see that all the chapters are connected with each other. We use this method in our table. Find the y-intercept. -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y-axis. -4. Label your x and the y-axis first, and make sure the first quadrant is clear. Find the -4, then after that, use the slope equals right over run. So if the slope is not a fraction, you write it as a fraction. Use the integer divided by 1. Then the top number is up or down. So positive 1 go up. Then the bottom is positive 1 is right 1. Okay? Up 1, right 1, you have another point. Then this one is nothing like front, the slope is 1. Okay? Then we want it has right over run, we want to write it as a fraction, 1 divided by something, 1 divided by 1 always is built-in. So if you have a slope is 2, you just write it as 2. Then you have the top number is up down, bottom number is left from the y-intercept. After you have the 2 points connected,
so
minus
cute.
4.
Sorry, I shouldn't have called.
Oh, that's where I get the lot.
So graph it. You graph it already? Y equals x minus 4, graph it. Find the b value, negative 4. Then use the right and run. Up 1, right 1. Then to the back, example 1. Find the b value first. Find the b value first, negative 4. Then use the slope. Up 1, right 1. Find another point, graph it.
Another point.
No,
From 94 upward, red one. That is from the y intercept, then you go slope, find another point. Now that's next one. Graph y minus equals 5. This one you don't have. It's not in the slope, y intercept form. I want you to change it to the slope y intercept form. Means you want to have y by itself. You don't want to see the 2x. When you move the 2x to other side, what are you going to have? Next.
y equals 5 minus, or sorry, minus 2x plus 5.
Yes. Now we have a nice mx plus b form. So in this one, the b equals 5. So from your graph, find the b first. 5. This number 5. And after that, use the slope. Negative 2 is an integer equals fraction and negative 2 over 1. So from point 5, then this number is up down, so down to red 1. Later, start from 5 and down to red 1. Start from 5 down to red 1. Start from the y-intercept 5, then down to red 1. Then connect the 2 points. Hopefully we have a nice one. I know that is better. What's the value? Okay, you have another graph. Y plus y equals 5. Then the point of intersection rated from your graph, you need a ruler. Otherwise, it's hard for you to find that point. So the point of intersection is what's the point of intersection? Find it. Jacob? Yes. And also y value? 3 common? Yes. This is how you find the point of intersection. Graph the 2 lines. Then find the point crossing. After instruction, we haven't studied yet. So, then we are going to write the POI. Point of intersection is 3 common negative 1. Then the next part is checking. For the checking, you need to check the left side and right side for both equations. To see if the point is on the both sides. So check. Left side, right side. So L dot means left side. This is right side. For the first equation. And also check it for the second equation. And this time, x and y, you have it is 3 common negative 1. What you need to do is substitute the x and y value to the left side. So x equals 3, y equals -1. You solve it into the left side. The left side equals and b. The left side is y equals what? Yeah, -1. On the right side, we solve x value there. X equals 3. 3 minus 4. So the calculation, it will be
1.
-1. So this equation is good. It's valid. Now we check another equation. Substitute x and y value. So the left side, 2 times the x value is 3. The y value is -1. So we have 6 minus 1. Then the right side is only one number. You just copy it down. Now we can see that for this equation, left side equals right side. This one also right side equals right side. Then don't forget that the statement, therefore, the point of intersection is 3, -1 is correct. This is for checking. Make sure that that point on both lines, then that is the point of intersection. Point of intersection means that point on both lines. This point on this side and also on this side. So that's all for today. Now open your textbook, page 201, start your homework. 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 10, yes.
I guess I made my calculator.
And if you don't have one,